Hey guys, it's Shy Still Sleepy, and I'm here to tell you how to get up off your butt and stop being a fat freaking chungus. Okay, sorry. You guys know, you guessed it. Yep, I'm not jacked. I'm obviously not Shy Still Sleepy. I'm freaking chudwy. I've been getting a lot of Chud versus Chad allegations, meaning that Shy is the Chad twin and I am the Chud twin. And as hilarious as it was, I had to take a look into myself and think about my possible future 10 years in, and I realized this isn't gonna be that funny in the future. So I figured I'm gonna take my little belly onto the mat and learn a thing from what not a better coach to confide in than my own twin sister, the Shy Still Sleepy. Obviously, today I have absolutely no calisthenic skills aside from doing maybe like 3 pull-ups and some push-ups, but today I'm finally going to break the wall and learn how to do a proper handstand. I've been, well, let me just show you my handstand. All right, here goes nothing. Give me a second. Wait, no way! All right, so obviously it's a work in progress. But Shy said she can get me there, and I believe her. So we're gonna be watching her tutorial on how to handstand, and yeah. I used to just practice by standing and then trying to jump into it, but I'm aware you're supposed to find a way to gradually walk into it. All right, let's start with the video.
It has come to my attention that some of you guys think you are too good to use the wall in learning how to handstand. I'm about to change your mind, okay? Look at my beautiful students.
Wow.
Let me show you how to use the wall correctly. And it will end up in... To get into this chest to wall handstand, first thing is your hands. So you can just claw the ground. See how your fingers are bent? And we're gonna climb up. So it's helpful if you have grip socks.
I've got my grip socks. Little applause. Come on, come on. Ain't this the stuff? And it's got the scorpion at the bottom. Yeah, really did my big one with that one.
So now that you're planted, you're going to climb up slowly.
All right, hands on the ground. Grip it like it's some feet. Okay, we're going up. I don't know if I need more distance. I feel like I was supposed to walk. She said walk, hold on. This takes a lot more strength than I thought. Okay, I feel like Mission Impossible. Okay, what next? Wait, I need to pause the video. Okay, what do we do next?
First thing we need to fix, before fixing this, I want you to elevate your shoulders. So shrug.
Shrug. What I need to do differently this time is keep gripping the ground, shoulders to my ears or biceps to my ears. Don't arch my back.
Elevate your shoulders, so shrug. And push towards the ground.
Yeah, let's try. Shrug. Wait, shrug? Doesn't shrugging go downwards? Wait. Let's see what she does after.
Start to balance.
What?
So let me show you a way that you can get down if you are up there and you're extending everything and you're scared because you don't want to fall. Slowly bring yourself down to your head.
What? I do not have the bicep for that. Okay, but you know what? Shy would never make me do something I'm incapable of, so I trust her. Let's try it. Let's try the dismount. Going up. Time to go down. Whoa! I did it. That was so frustrating, but I did it.
What you're going to do is give the air a little bit of a bump, so you're gonna make love to it. Tuck your pelvis in, whatever helps you understand it better.
Freak the wall? Whoa! What the heck?
So doing this table-like position, really using my shoulder strength here. If you sink into your shoulders, you're going to hurt yourself and put a lot of pressure on your lower back. You should definitely warm up before doing anything like this.
Okay, I'm overextended. Activate my core. I guess I fall. Am I doing it?
Why am I low-key handstanding right now? What? Whoa. Mission failed successfully. Yeah, I don't know, bro. If you want to learn a different handstand variation, sometimes using the wall with your back to the wall is good, like a Japanese handstand.
Japanese handstand?
I just said that.
Oh yeah. Gombawa! We used the wall, and now let's see if I can do it without the wall. I'm pretty confident because there were some times where I just kind of accidentally leaned into it. So, let's try it. Whoa! I feel like a dead cockroach. This is our last try, and if I don't make this, this whole place is gonna explode. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna try it without the mat, actually, because everyone knows when there's a cushion, there is the idea of safety. If there's no safety, then I must make it. I just gotta act like I'm not trying. Law of detachment. I don't want this handstand at all. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. No way. No, I hope I don't go into a handstand, and maybe we found our method, guys. Oh. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. Ta-da! I really hope my legs were up, but at least we stayed up there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. It's endless cycle. Move that out of the way. I'll take it. That was good. Shy Still Sleepy is an amazing coach, and I need to listen to her more often. And video, holy freaking moly.